Hello everyone and welcome back. Today we are continuing our subject verb agreement, and in this video we are going to study rules, and of course these rules will help you in understanding and getting better in error supporting. So without any delay, let us start. So first rule for today is, if two nouns or pronouns are joined with, as well as, besides, like, unlike, with, together with, along with, guided with, accompanied with, or such kind of words, then the verb is according to the noun or pronoun given in the first case in the sentence. Means if two phrases are joined with help of these words, then we have to use the first case of noun or a pronoun. Let us try to look at one example and try to understand this. So here is the first example. The example says, she together with her friends is visiting her uncle. Means, see, here I have connected with. Now what I have done, see, she, and I have used here together with, and the second part is, second pronoun is her friends. So what I have connected, she with her friends, and I'm using together with here. See, like here, together with. Now what should be here is. Why is? Because I have used the first case, that is she, and she is a singular noun. So she with together with her friends is visiting her uncle. She is a noun, it is a singular. Friends again a noun, but they are plural because friends we are talking about. So according to the rule, we have to use first case, that is she. So we have used is as a verb here. The second rule says, if two subjects are joined by words like not only but also, neither nor, either or, if such kind of words are there, then the verb always follows its nearest subject. Now what I want to clarify here is, you have to take care that how you are connecting to nouns or pronouns. Okay, so if they are connected by not only but also, neither nor, either or, etc., then you have to use the verb according to the nearest subject. See its example here. Neither you nor I am going to see him. Here subject is you and I. Now I have used neither nor here. So I will consider this I as a subject and will use am, because we use am with I, not with you. So I have used am according to the nearest subject. Okay, so in such cases, if two subjects are joined with not only but also, neither nor, either or, etc., we have to use the verb according to the nearest subject. Now coming to the next rule. The next rule says, if subjects are joined with not, but, or only not, then the verb follows that subject which is not with the subject not. This rule is a bit complicated, but if you try to understand with the help of example, you will surely get it. See, if the subjects are joined with not, but, or not, then the verb follows that subject which is not with the subject not. See here, she, not her friends, is responsible. Now what you have to see is, this not is with her friends, right, with this. So we have to use a verb according to she, because there is no not with she. Okay, so she, not her friends, is responsible. I'll show you one more example so that this thing become very clear. See here, not she but her friends are responsible. In this example, we have used not with the she, right? So we have to use our verb according to that subject with which there is no not. See here, we have not here with she, and there is no not with friends. So I have used are, that is a plural verb. Okay, means you have to take care that which subject is having not with it and which is not, and you have to use the verb according to that subject which is not having the word not. Moving on to the next one. The next rule says if the subject of a sentence is each, either, neither, then it takes a singular verb. Means when we use these words like each, either, neither, we are talking about every single or every individual person or something like that. Like, I invited two guests, but neither has come. Here we have used neither, so I am using has. Has is a singular verb. See, I invited two guests. Here I am talking about two people. Okay, so but neither has come. Okay, so neither is using a singular verb, that is has. Next rule says after words like each of, either of, neither of, everyone of, or one of, then the noun or pronoun is always a plural, but the verb remains a singular. Means you have to be very, alert using these rules. Now you must be thinking that I have just told you that with each, either, neither, we have to use a singular verb. Here also I'm going to use the verb as singular, but in this case noun or pronoun can be plural. It's not can be, it is always a plural one. So let us see the example. So here comes the example, and the example says one of them has topped in exam. Them is representing a plural noun and has is a singular verb. Means I am talking about that several people have given the exam, but only one of them has topped. Now I am talking about only singular one, right? So I have to use a singular verb, that is has. See one more example of it. Each of the birds is beautiful. Here I have used each of, right? Birds is a plural noun, right? But I am talking about individual bird. So each of the birds is beautiful is a right sentence. So guys, this is it for today. I hope you like this video and these rules will be very useful for you. And we are going to do one more video on subject verb agreement rules, because these rules are very important and we have to use them in several cases. So I hope you like the video. For more such videos, don't